How to log into Paycom Employee Account. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here we go. Now over here you'll find the search box. Type in paycom.com and search for it. With that, you will be directed to the official website of Paycom. Now at the top you will see this option of login. Click on it. Different options will appear as client, employee and accountant. Go ahead and click on the option of employee. With that, you will land to the employee login page. Now from here, you can easily log into your account. All you need to do is type in your credentials of your account. So go ahead and type in your username. Then type in the password. Type in last 4 digits of SSN or PIN. In the case you have forgotten your username or password, you can click on this option to recover it. Once you fill this, click on the option of login, and just with that, you will be logged into your account. Well, this way you can easily log into your Paycom employee account. This was really simple and quick process. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.